Welcome back to my channel. This week's episode, we're going to be talking about the parade of homes. The Parade of Homes is basically bar hopping for people who are addicted to houses, is essentially what it is. It's a bunch of open houses where people go from house to house to house and they get all excited with their friends and family. And this is like a bonding experience for some people. Instead of going to Tahiti with their family, like get super pumped for the Parade of Homes. Hey guys, we are here at the Parade of Homes event. We've got our magazine that gives us all the information that we need. We've got our pass that'll give us access. Let's go check it out. You guys, check this out. Are you kidding me right now? Like, this is somebody's house. All right, so we've got Rodney Stewart here. He's actually the builder at the home that we are touring currently. How long have you been building in St. George?
I've been here for over 20 years.
Very cool.
This is my 21st parade home in the last 20-something years.
Do you have any other homes in the Parade of Homes this year?
Not in the Parade of Homes, no. Builders
can enroll their homes to kind of display the quality of work. If you're a builder, I will put the link down in the description if you wanted to enroll one of your properties in the Parade of Homes. Building out here is just insane. People are buying lots and building their dream homes like every day. This one's for sale.
Yes.
How much is the asking price?
They're asking $3 million.
It's beautiful. You did a really good job. So the Parade of Homes in 2020 had a total of 31 houses. But the thing that was really cool about the Parade of Homes this year for me was their app. So make sure to download their app. It gives you driving directions to all the homes. You can map out like your layout on what homes you want to go to first and kind of plan your route accordingly. A lot of the homes are on streets that aren't fully developed yet, so this is like a really big deal. We didn't have the app and we got lost for like 20 minutes until finally we had to re-download the app and get back on track, and it totally helped. So download the app. Tickets are $15 a person. You can only go through each house one time, so make sure you're with the person you want to be with for the house you want to go to. I think all of the houses were available for sale, and I know at least 4 or 5 of them sold before the event was over. Amazing homes. I think my favorite was possibly the one out in Hurricane that we toured a lot of and talked to the builder on that one, but also loved number 3. It was really, really cool, just single story, beautiful layout, lots of open space. All the doors and windows, everything opened up to the backyard. It was really cool. The views were amazing. Let's see, what else do you guys need to know about the Parade of Homes? I will link everything in the description, everything you need to know, where you buy tickets, when the next event is. I'll link their website. Check the description below. If you have any questions, if I missed anything, leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. My favorite design trend was the backlit marble. It was in a master bathroom. It was the backsplash to the vanities. It was a huge slab of marble that was backlit, so when you turn the light on, the whole thing just lit up. I mean, it was so cool. They did it in the closet too, and I was just like, yes, yes. This is why I come to the Parade of Homes. Also, there was a black, same designer actually, same home. There was a black table in the office, solid black, with little dinosaurs, maybe 30 dinosaurs spread throughout this table randomly, painted on with gold leaf. And it was the cutest thing I'd ever seen. And when you look at it, you think, wow, that's really cute. But I talked to the designer and I talked to the woodwork people that did the labor, and the amount of effort that went into this table was just incredible. I mean, her just designing it alone probably was like an insane amount of effort on her part. But then these people, these woodworkers, had to paint these dinosaurs on this table with glue and then brush gold leaf. And they're intricate dinosaurs. I mean, it was just really cool. There was a lot of really, really cool things that I loved. All the casitas, I mean, they're just going above and beyond with all the casitas, with all the Airbnbs that are happening in our area. So the casitas were just like on point. They were so sweet. I mean, they're just studio bedrooms, but honestly, I could live there forever. And it was great. We had an awesome time. Hope you guys make it. If you want to be a true Southern Utahan, you got to go check it out. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. If you have any questions about the episode you just watched, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, subscribe to our channel. See you next week. It's crazy.